Hello and welcome to another one of my ride-along motorcycle videos. This one is north of Tucson, between Top of the World and Superior on Highway 60. Sometimes life just takes you where you ought to go. I had intended to head for Tortilla Flat, and there's a fantastic motorcycle road out there, or so people say. Unfortunately, it was washed out and there was no passing over there, no way to get there. So I turned around and did a detour. This detour ended up taking me to a small town called Top of the World on Highway 60, north of Tucson. Well, Top of the World is a very small town. Not much going on, but I did find a stand selling jerky, and I ended up getting some feral boar jerky, FDA approved and all. Tasted great. But the road, it turned out to be a fantastic road, all the way from Top of the World to Superior on Highway 60. I mean, scenery like I've seen in national parks. It was really spectacular, and lots of sweeping turns. Really enjoyed this section of highway. So you never know what you're gonna get. Maybe the road out at Tortilla Flats was even better, but I can always explore that a different time. And if I'd done that, I wouldn't have done this. Everything's a little bit hit or miss until you do it. So I really enjoyed this route, and I hope you do too. If you like this video, ring that bell, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have thoughts for excellent motorcycle rides, leave a note in the comment section. Looking forward to it.